Recording in progress.
Hi team, good morning. See team, In yesterday's session, we completed some database fundamentals completed, and also what is the difference between normal databases, relation databases, and what is the difference between Oracle and SQL Server? What is the difference between Oracle and SQL Server? So these are the topics yesterday's session we discussed. Right. So today means we know Oracle supports different types of features, like Oracle database supported multiple users, multiple platforms supported, and primary key, foreign key relations are supported. Okay, and also exceptions are supported. Different types of relational database features supported by Oracle. See, guys, in industry, not only Oracle, now we have the different types of relational databases in industry. We have the different types of relational databases. So one of the database now we are learning, that is Oracle. Now we are learning one of the database. Right. Fine. Just a second, guys. Okay, right. Yes, yes. Alam, that is that's why. Yes, for full stack Java developers is one of the part of full stack Java developers Oracle. Okay, guys. And also this course is free for all full stack Java developers. Okay, fine. See, guys, here I'm saying just here I share the screen. Oracle course content means in our sessions, what are the topics we'll cover? Now we are discussing one by one, guys. See, introduction to files. Okay, these are the normal introduction part. What is the ORDBMS? What is the ORDBMS? Right, and the client server architecture. Yesterday's session we completed this Oracle client server picture and card roles. CODD. CODD is one of the EF card actually. Card roles means EF card. He is one of the software employee. He proposed 12 rules. If any database supported 12 rules, 100%, That is called pure relational database. If any database supported CORD rules 100%, that database what you call pure relational database we can. Okay. We discuss later, guys. And the Oracle versions, how to install Oracle in our systems, and the data types in Oracle. After that, sublanguages, SQL sublanguages, DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, and TCL. Okay, means from these sublanguages, you learn some basics of SQL. We will learn basics of SQL means how to create the tables, how to create the tables, how to insert the data, how to drop the table, how to delete the data. These things we'll discuss. Okay. After that, Oracle operators, arithmetic operators, comparison, assignment operator, logical operator, special operators. These are. After that, Oracle predefined functions. Predefined means defined by Oracle database. Basically, the functions are two types: predefined, user defined. Predefined means defined by corresponding language or database. User defined means we can write our own. That is user defined. Okay. Now in SQL, we'll discuss predefined functions. In PLSQL, we will learn user defined. Okay. You got idea about one by one, guys. Okay. So these are the user defined functions: toChar, toDate, toNumber, NVL2, null, call set function, decode, and the analysis functions. Dense rank, lag, lead, first, last. These are the different types of OLAP functions. By using these functions, we can generate different types of analysis reports. Okay. Next, data aggregation using group by class, group by having, order by, and roll up, cube, grouping ID. These are the clauses we discussed. Up to here, these are the basics of SQL. Basics of SQL. The major important content topics are constraints. Okay. These are the constraints. Next one is joins. Means how to join tables, how we are fetching data from more than one table, how to fetch the data. These things we'll discuss in joins concept. And the subqueries. Okay. Next, database transactions. That is called commit, save point, rollback. Data security. How to provide the data security. These things. Okay. This is how to create the users, how to give the permissions to users, how to grant the permissions to users. These are. Next one is locking mechanism and schema objects, views, indexes, synonyms, sequences, roles. These are the DB objects. Next is pseudo columns. From the pseudo columns, in interviews, minimum 2 to 3 questions are coming from this chapter, guys. This is the most important chapter, guys. This is the most important chapter. Next one is set operators. Union all, intersect, minus. Object technology. We know the database supported objects are supported. How to support the objects? This is object technology. Next one, partitions. These are the total SQL topics: hierarchical queries, metadata views, and the clusters. And Oracle, some advanced features. Each and every version, some new features are added. Here, those Comments here we'll discuss. After that, the DBA concepts. These DBA concepts only for freshers only, not for experienced DBAs. Okay, na? So Oracle architecture, how to create the table spaces and data pumping, import export. These are the normalization. These are the total SQL topics, guys. Next, come to the PLS. Introduction to PLSQL and what are the data supported by PLSQL and variables and constants, how to declare, and how many types of blocks are there. These are the control structures and unconditional control structures, iterations, loops concept, and these are the basics. Now here, cursors, objects, exceptions, subprograms. This is important, guys. Procedures and functions, both are called as subprograms. Procedures and functions. These procedures we can also call as stored procedures. Stored procedures we can call. Next, user-defined functions, packages, right? And database triggers. These are the major important topics. Then dynamic SQL and Oracle predefined packages. These are the topics we discuss in our total Oracle course. Okay, and I will share this course content also. Okay, I will share this course content also. Your mail IDs. Okay. Right, guys. Okay, fine. See, in yesterday's session, we started Oracle versions. We started, right? Guys, any doubts in this course content? Understand, huh? Course content. Any doubts in this? I think management also share this link actually. Please check your mail IDs. Okay. They provide link actually. Once you click on the link, the file is downloaded. Okay. Fine. And see, in yesterday's session, we started Oracle versions. Yes, Krishna Patil, actually see, the sessions are started 2 days back only. Right now, we are discussing fundamentals only. Okay. And see, the management, today also the management shared that last sessions recorded demo videos. Try to find out that videos, guys. Okay. These are the basics. Basics only we discuss. Okay. The actual status are starting from today onwards. Today onwards, the actual sessions will be started. And also, listen that if anybody joined today or yesterday, newly joined, guys, no need to worry about that. What they provide the recorded links, no, just follow that links. If you have any doubts, just ask me. I can clarify your doubts. No issue about that. Okay, that's a basic. Everybody know that. Okay, if you have any doubts, no, I can explain. Okay, fine. Now today we try to start about Oracle versions. Oracle versions. So Oracle versions are starting from 1.0 onwards. Oracle versions are starting from 1.0 onwards. But from 1.0 to 5.0, all are trial versions, guys. All are trial versions, not a commercial version. Commercial version means if any software introduced to market for commercial purpose, that is called commercial software. But Oracle from 1.10 to 5.0, all are trial versions, will not a commercial version. Right. Now, all are trial versions. Commercial version starting from Oracle 6.0 onwards. Okay. From Oracle 6.0 onwards, commercial versions are started. Okay, guys. But here one guy has one doubt actually. Sir, this course is for Oracle developer, not Oracle database administrator actually. Yes, exactly. But what is the difference between them? I don't understand. See, guy, along. In Oracle, we have the different types of jobs are available in Oracle database side. One is SQL developer jobs are available. Means once you complete this course, then as a freshers, it is this course is suitable for all freshers. And also, if you want to put an experience, 2+ experience, 2+ years of experience, for Oracle developer. Also, it is suitable, or SQL developer, or PLSQL developer. Okay, guys, this is. And also, all full stack developers. All full stack Java developers. This is suitable this course. And also, if anybody is learning reporting tools for reporting tools also it is reporting tools means Cognos, Informatica, Cognos, Informatica, BI, business intelligence, etc. For these four will also it is. And also if anybody is learning Oracle financials for technical, for those people also our course is suitable. And also Oracle DBA freshers, not experienced, this course is suitable. This course is suitable. Oracle DBA freshers. And also, if anybody is learning any basics, either JavaScript or HTML, JavaScript or Python, any language, this is suitable for them. And also, to learn Oracle database, remaining databases you can learn easily. That is also for other front-end developers, I am saying. Suppose you are learning as Python. Yes, you can complete the Oracle course and you can apply jobs as a Python developer or SQL developer also you can apply. Okay. That is. So this is for Oracle DBA freshers also. This course is suitable, sir, because if you come to the computer industry, computer side, if you try to become as a software developer, the first basic language is required. C language is required, right or wrong? C is the basic language generally. After that, you learn any other languages you can learn. Here also same like. If you go to Oracle DBA side, minimum first Oracle knowledge is required. After that, you learn Oracle DBA. Because at the time of learning Oracle DBA, they are also discuss SQL commands. Okay. If you know already, that is very well. You can understand easily. Or else you are facing some problems. That's why this is suitable for Oracle DBA freshers. It is suitable. Clear your doubt, Alam? Right. And also, if any freshers, see, here Naresh is not providing any experience, 2+ years experience. You can put the resume and you can apply the jobs. What I'm saying that my class explanation, you can answer up to 2+ years of level experience. You can answer the questions that I am saying. I'm not saying Naresh is not provided experience here. Okay, na? Our course explanation, course content, and course explanation, it covers up to 2+ levels of experience can answer the questions. That is, I'm saying. Okay. And also, Java developers. Java developer, full stack developers. Full stack developers, our Oracle course, you complete this Oracle course from starting to ending. You should be concentrate on Oracle course also. Generally, full stack Java developers are not concentrated on Oracle database. Only few things only they learn, they can leave it. But I say, if anybody joining as a full stack developers, you complete this course so 100% from starting to ending. You can apply the jobs, 2 jobs you can apply separately. One is a Java full stack developer, as well as you can prepare resume for SQL developer also. There is benefit for full stack Java developers actually this course. Okay, don't take light this course, guys. This is a very good opportunity for Java full stack developers. Okay, right. So our course is up to it covers 2+ years of experience level. It covers. You can answer that type of questions you can answer in interviews. But Naresh is not providing any experience, guys. Okay, na? That is right, guys. These are. If any freshers are there, see now suppose you completed 50% of Oracle, suppose, and you have an opportunity and you go to some interview. Once you clear your written test, again next round is technical. I am saying right now freshers. Technical round. In the technical round, they are asking technical questions. At that time, they are asking, so which languages you know, tell me. Just you can say, don't say, I know C, C++, Java, don't say all. Okay, na? On which technology you have that knowledge, you say that technology first of all. Means right now you are completed Oracle 50%, na? Yes, sir, currently I am learning Oracle. SQL right now I completed. Then the interviewer asking only the questions on SQL only. Okay, guys, that is. So you can answer easily now, because right now you are learning SQ here, you can answer the questions very easy, then you will get the job. But don't say different languages. On which language we have the confidence, you say that one only as a freshers. Because I've seen so many guys are getting the job in this scenario only as freshers guys. Okay. Right. Clear your doubts, guys. Any doubts regarding this course content? Right. Right, guys. So now we are discussing Oracle versions. Now we are discussing this. See, from Oracle 6.0 onwards, commercial versions are started. See, 6.0. So Oracle 6.0, it is a normal database. It is a normal database. It will not support client server architecture, is not supported. What is the meaning of client server architecture? See, client server architecture, we have one diagram, right? This is client server architecture diagram. See, we have the multiple clients, multiple systems. All the clients are accessing data from centrally one server. Means the server can distribute data to multiple systems, multiple clients. This type of architecture is not supported by Oracle 6.0 version. Means the 6.0 version supports only single system. That is. Next one is 7.x version. 7.x means 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. We have the three versions. So it is a model of RDBMS package. It supports client server architecture. From Oracle 7.x onwards, client server architecture is supported, guys. Right. 8.0. Next version is 8.0. It is an ORDBMS tool and it supports OOPS features. That means 7.x supports only normal relation database features. Objects are added in 8.0 onwards. Objects are added. That is called OOPS features are supported. See, what are the new features added in this version now? Objects are added. Methods. Methods means functions. Lob, nchar, nvarchar too. These are the data types. These are the data types actually. Collections, file input output operations, returning into class, bulk collect, autonomous transactions, sharing columns, reverse keyword, trim, standard deviation variance, development queue. So standard deviation variance both are statistics formulas. ISO, ISI organizations, they're using these functions actually. And roll up and cube. These are the important functions added in Oracle 8.0. These functions are also called as OLAP functions. What you call, guys? OLAP functions we can call. OLAP. That is called as online analysis processing. Online analysis processing. OLAP means you can generate any type of analysis reports. That means if you take e-commerce application Flipkart you can take, or else you take one DMart. DMart is one of the shop is available, na, retail wholesale shop. So the shop salesmen they sold out items from morning to evening. They sold out items to customers. At the end of the day, the shop manager, he want to generate different types of analysis reports on his business turnover. Today, how many items are sold out? And item wise subtotal amount and grand total amount he want to generate. From last 1 week, which items are not sold out? He want to generate one report. If any items are not sold out from last 1 week, next day he can take the decision, buy one, get one offer. Simple. Why? The companies are providing buy one, get one. Those products are not sold out. That's why they give that buy one, get one. First thing. The second thing is different reasons are there. This is one of the reason actually buy one, get one offer. How he can take the decision buy one, get one offer? Based on the analysis report. How to generate analysis report? Based on daily customer transactions. Based on the daily customer transactions, he can generate different types of reports. How to generate reports? By using these two functions. That is called as roll up and cube. Both are OLAP functions, we can call them. Online analysis process. And our database data used for one more purpose also, that is called OLTP purpose also. Our database used for OLAP na? And OLTP also. OLTP means daily transactions, online transaction processing, our day-to-day activities. DMart main functionality daily, the customers comes to the DMart and they are purchasing items, and the salesmen, they sold out items to customers. So every customer transaction stored in database, that is called one of the transactions. Banks, daily transactions are deposit and withdrawals. Right or wrong? Yes. So our daily day-to-day activities are stored in database. That is called our database used for OLTP purpose as well as OLAP purpose also. These two, OLAP and OLTP. I think somebody has some doubt about regarding this. They ask now. Clear? What is the OLTP? What is the OLAP? Okay. Fine. Next one is Oracle 8i version. What's the meaning of I? Internet technology. Internet technology we can. Means Oracle 8i is inbuilt with Java language. Supports to execute Java programs with client-server architecture and to share the information through web. Okay, guys. What's the meaning of this 8i? It is inbuilt with Java and Java program with the client-server architecture. Suppose I developed one application by using Java language. Which type of application right now I design? Web application. I design one web application. Generally in real time, to develop applications, there are two types of applications are developed. There are two types of applications are developed. One is Windows application. Second one is web application. Windows applications means these are also called as desktop applications, we can call. What do you call? Desktop applications. Desktop applications we can call. Means these applications supports only single system, like games actually. Generally gaming applications are desktop applications. But nowadays, in games also web applications are developed. PUBG is one of the web application, na? Yes. But generally, gaming applications are developed using Windows applications because these applications are supports only single system only. Now, what about the second one? Web applications. These applications we can execute through browsers first of all. These applications we can execute through browsers, either Google Chrome, Mozilla, IE, or Opera, or something. But how to execute these applications? By using address. What the address? www.sba.co.in. This is SBA. This is one of the web application. The application address is this one. How you can execute? Where can you execute this application? Through browser only we can access. So your application is developed using browser. I am using as a backend Oracle. Okay, na? Means C. See here. Here one example here. Here I place this www.sb.co.in. Here I place plus enter. Okay. Yeah. So I go to that net banking, personal banking. So where is login actually? Where is the login? NRI, interest rates, home loan, quick, online banking services, account, savings account. Okay. Here net banking we have. Once you click on this net banking, personal banking. This is the web application, guys. This is a web application. Now here I am passing username, password, and captcha. Once you click on this login button, the request goes to backend. So what you are passing input through this web application, the request goes to backend. Na? The backend database, the backend Oracle database now, minimum 8 is required. Suppose if you install 8.0 or 7.x version, this application not supported, sir. Minimum 8 is required in backend database. Then only your request is accepted by database process request. And if it is valid user, login successfully. If it is invalid user, you got error. So the backend minimum 8 is required. That is called to share the information through web. Okay, this is. Next one is, in this Oracle 8i, the new features are case and dropping columns. These are the new features. Next one is Oracle 9i, guys. Oracle 9i. 8i means 8 is a version, I means internet technology. I means internet technology. Okay, na? Fine. So it supports advanced features of Java and XML language also supported. XML language means if any data comes in XML format, I want to store the data into my backend database. Yes, minimum 8 is required. Okay. HTML advanced is XML actually. Right. What are the new features added now? Multiple inserts, merge command, new date and general built-in functions, rename columns and constants. These are the new features added in Oracle 9i. Next one is 10G. G. What is the meaning of G? Grid technology. G represented grid technology. And also in Oracle 10G, it supports regular expressions, provides high performance. What is the meaning of regular expressions? one simple example, guys. One simple example. If you try to create any user account, you can set the password. You can set the password. Password, we have different types of password. We have different types of validations, right, guys? Like so now see. So if you try to create any user account, you can set the password. The password, we have different types of validations. Right or wrong? Password should be start with an alphabet, one uppercase, one lowercase, one digit, some special characters, and minimum length of password is 8 characters. These are some conditions. These are the validations we have. You are a developer. You try to implement this logic actually. You try to implement logic. You try to develop one program to implement these validations. You can write the code minimum 50 to 100 lines of code you can write to check all these conditions. Right or wrong? 50 to 100 lines of code you can write. But instead of that lines of code, only one single command is enough. Only one single command is enough. We can check these validations by using regular expressions. That's why it provides high performance. It provides. Okay, guys. We'll discuss in our course content. We have that regular expressions also. We'll discuss. Okay. So in the Oracle 10G, the new features are flashback queries, recycle bin, purge command, regular expressions. That's it. What is the meaning of these flashback queries, recycle bin, purge commands? Suppose up to Oracle 9i version, once you drop your table, we cannot undo, we cannot get back. But from 10G onwards, that feature is available. We can restore the dropped tables, we can restore by using these flashback queries. What about the recycle bin? Everybody knows this recycle bin. In Windows also we have recycle bin. If any file is deleted, that's stored in recycle bin. Same like in database, if any table is dropped, that is stored in recycle bin. These are we discussed practically one by one. Okay, just what are the new features added in these versions right now here I'm discussing. And purge commands means if you want to drop the table permanently, like shift delete, then to use purge command you tend to use. Okay, right. But right now here we have that Oracle 8i, 10G, and 12C. Next coming version is 11G. After that 12C comes. But what is the difference between I, G, Intel technology, G, grid technology, C means cloud? What is the difference between these versions? We'll discuss, guys, one by one. Okay, na? So the coming session, we'll discuss remaining versions and what is the I, G, and C importance. These things we'll discuss next session. Okay, tomorrow session we'll discuss. Okay. And see, guys, today management shared so many messages in the chat box. I think everybody go through these messages. Okay, they provided some links also, last session links, and also some bank details to pay the amount. After pay the amount, what we can do. Okay, now everything they placed in the chat box. Please find out. And if you have any doubts, the management also provided one mobile number also. The admin mobile number provided. If you have any doubts, no, you can contact to that person. Okay. Maybe in that message, what they mentioned, the tomorrow maybe link will be changed. Tomorrow means who are completed the registrations, for those people only, they can send the links, new links. Okay. So try to complete your registrations. Once the new link comes now, then I can take your mail IDs and I can share up to till date what I discussed in Notepad or any Word documents, what I discussed now. So everything will share with you. Okay, after completing these Oracle versions, then I can discuss how to install Oracle software. Okay, now how to download set of files from internet. These things we discuss one by one, guys. Okay, after that we can start our practical sessions. We can start. Fine. So any doubts, guys? See, OLAP, OLTP, OLAP, where can exactly use it in banks? One guy asking this question actually, one doubt actually. See, in banking sector, where can exactly use this OLTP, OLAP? OLTP means you try to deposit amount, okay, and your friend is with the amount. These transactions are stored in database. Those transactions, what you called OLTP, OLTP, we can call. But what about the OLTP, OLAP in banking sector? In banking sector, where can use OLAP means every quarter means every 3 months, the banks are announced their profits and loss. Right or wrong? How they can generate profits and loss quarter wise? By using these OLAP functions, they can generate. And also annual reports. Yearly they generate annual report. Annual means per year, na? In the annual reports, no, they generate different types of bar charts, pie charts. That is performance, bank performance. And also last 3 years, each and every year, how much profit, how much loss, how much revenue. They want to place this type of tables in the annual report. How to generate those tables? How to generate that type of diagrams? By using OLAP functions, it is possible. By using OLAP, it is possible. Okay, now you got idea, right? Now currently, guys, we are discussing 21C, guys. 21C. Okay, but 21C, we discuss later. What about the 21C? Okay, na? Coming session we'll discuss. Right, guys. Any doubts, guys? Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for this session. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Recording stopped.